guys, today we are going to be unboxing this guy. You see this? I know the camera's a little bit backwards because I'm using the selfie. And as you can see, I'm going to be unboxing this, okay? I don't think you can see that good.
Yeah,
that's good. Let me
show you the back. You can get any of these. You can get this one that Preston has, this one, or this one.
I am going to try and collect them all.
Yes, he is. He already has a Friday Set Freddy set at home, but since it broke, he got that one. And that one is way better than the one he already has. So that's really cool that he got another one.
Let's get started. Yeah, this is... Dang it, are you kidding? Why do I have to use a board? Do not try this at home. Never ever try this at home. Okay, the cord doesn't work. Never ever do that. Ever. I'm gonna have to rip this box. Never knew this if you want to return a box. Return it. Okay. See? Got that. Okay, and see. Do this. Yeah, that's him. That's him. You're gonna get him. Wither Freddy, come on, Wither Freddy. Boy. You come out. I don't think he wants to come out. Does he even want to come out? Okay, let's just get that. And the constructions. And now do you want to come out, Wither Freddy? Really? Good. I need to do this, really? Wither Freddy? You make me have to do this? Rip your box? Rip your home up? Come on. Finally. See this? You creepy. Okay. I gotta fix this guy's jaw. As you can see, his foot already came off. And plus his little jaw. See, it's a little bit crooked. I'm gonna fix that. Oh! Okay, you do never expect that.
Jason.
Johnny?
Ha.
Next thing you know, Carson, you're a hockey match. Okay, as you can see, if you had the Five Nights at Freddy's 1 map stuff, or from the,
Preston, when you're done showing them that,
So, as you can see, the endoskeleton is a little bit rustier.
And guys, you see that we did not plan and, test it.
And Carson, you need to stop talking.
Hey!
Okay, so as you can see, you see this little guy? We're gonna put him all the way right here.
Nope, that's not
all the way over there. All the way over here.
They can't see it all the way over there.
Okay. No, we do not need to show them, Carson. Now, unbox this. Really? Really? Okay, you can just skip, but you might miss some bloopers. Really? Yay! Never ever use this. Come on, get out. Got it? Yep.
I'm gonna show them one thing.
Let's see the instruction manual. Carson,
Look at this, guys. Not cute.
You like yeet, Carson? Do you yeet? Yeet. I don't think you yeet. Carson, stop it or I will slap you.
You can't use that on YouTube.
I don't care, you little.
You know it's on live right now.
It's not live. I can cut this from the video. Stop it or I will slap you in the face. Don't do that. Back. What the heck downstairs? Yeah. I'm not letting you do a video on those dang splash rooms.
I don't even want to have a video on those
Then
things.
go to your room. Go. and then you'll be good.
I was doing the deep.
Don't care. Stop it. I told you to shut up.
No, I got something hilarious. You do it like this and attack her. Okay, make it look like you attack her.
What? Carson, you pinhead. Get away.
No, I'm not gonna.
Be a pinhead. Fine, be a pinhead.
You're the pinhead. Double.
Can't you believe I have a sister like that? I know. You never ever want one. Here's the thing. Sisters suck. You never ever want one.
You never want a brother. They suck the most.
Really? It just matters who person you are. If you're a bad person, you don't.
You're a bad person.
Now do you see? Do y'all see? Y'all see what I mean?
Inappropriate to stand.
Carson. It's for reasons, Carson. You don't get YouTube at all. Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. Okay. Now we can just skip forward. Just skip. Just please, guys, skip this. At all costs. Skip.
Yeah, skip no matter what, or we'll skip forward.
Or we'll cut this.
Yeah.
We will eventually have to edit this and cut it and delete it.
Or
We do.
y'all just skip forward. And we'll check to see if y'all did. And if y'all didn't, then we're cutting this video.
Not?
If you do bad comments like you suck or something, we're cutting this video no matter what, and we're deleting our YouTube channel.
Yeah, so.
And if you're a fan, make those bad people not do it. And if they do and we haven't looked at, we only do YouTube videos to look. So if you're a good fan and you're a bad fan, then if the bad fan comments down below and has a bad like, then delete that.
No, we have to. They have to.
Then
Stupid!
just tell them to delete it no matter what. And if you don't and you're another hater, then we're deleting this YouTube channel forever. So those good people, you better take care of it.
They can't. Carson.
No, they should be able to.
They can't!
I know.
I don't even think that.
But
Carson, why are you in the instructions?
look at this. I have 2 phones.
Wow. I just did something. Okay, guys. I'm building this and what I've got so far, not too pretty.
Oh no.
I know.
Yeah, it's not pretty though.
Really? You had to say that?
That thing doesn't get pretty.
Really, Carson? You had to say that?
Yeah.
You are so ugly,
You're
Carson.
too ugly.
Your mom is ugly.
You have the same mama. Your same mom's ugly.
Oh, yeah. No matter what. Your mom's ugly. Even if I wish we were divorced. No, it's true. So, yeah. Can't believe you just burned me like that. Come on, Pete.
Yeah, guys, we're
Look
just
how
friends.
hard
We're
this
not
is.
brother and
Just
sister.
look. I can't even get this on.
Guys, we're not brother and sister. If you're wondering, we're not brother or sister. We're our just friends. And we
Horrible friends.
Yep, horrible friends.
That hate.
Yep. But one day we decided to make YouTube videos at school. We decided that at school. And now, here we are.
Yay,
Making
YouTube!
YouTube videos.
Okay, got that.
All day, every day.
All day,
All
every day.
day. Every day. Well, not every day.
Are you doing pig Latin?
What?
You doing pig Latin?
No.
Sound like you are.
Look at this. She has diamonds everywhere because she's the beautifulest mermaid ever. Guys, look, she has diamonds all over her. Don't know.
This is it so far right now. Carson, stop it! Get.
Has diamonds all over her.
Okay, no one cares. Okay, so no one cares.
And yes, these are splashlings. Yes, they are. Collect them all. And if y'all didn't watch the whole video and you asked if they're splashlings, then we will not answer that.
Yeah, not actually. Carson, we're gonna have to answer that. Carson, we have to answer that if there were splashlings.
No, because I just told him they're splashlings.
Oh yeah.
They're splashlings, guys. If you didn't hear, they are splashlings.
I
Now,
repeat, they are
listen,
splashlings.
and let me repeat it again. They are splashlings. Again, they are splashlings. Say it with me. They are splashlings. They are splashlings. Carson, we don't have that much time on the clock.
No, that's how much time we've already done.
So we don't have that much time.
No, we can do as long as we want. But okay, this is the base right now.
Okay, yes, that is the base.
Okay, see these? I'm gonna put balloons on.
Yes, it comes with balloons if you're wondering.
Oh, here's the thing. Just look. Just look close. They look like two butt cheeks.
I know, they look like butt cheeks because the balloons are together.
Please don't delete our channel. Okay, why isn't this working?
And I know Funnel Vision 2 is getting deleted.
No, they're not anymore.
Funnel Vision Take 2?
Oh, that
Yeah, Funnel Vision Take 2 is getting deleted. So if you love that, then comment down below for every video that they haven't deleted. We want you to stay. And if you're somebody that is deleting them, then you better be nicer and stop it right now.
Oh yeah. Please. Don't acknowledge that. Okay. I got Carson. Look at that. Okay, so I got the balloons put on. Next thing.
Yes.
Little posters. You see?
Yep, they are stickers.
Okay, I'm gonna turn this around when I'm done.
Yes,
Boop.
we will.
I got it. Now.
He will turn it around when he is done, so don't worry.
Okay, I'm just gonna put it down like it's an actual poster that the company did.
Yeah, like the
And
company, yeah.
so yeah.
Yada yada yada. Now get started. Bye. Hear me now?
Okay,
I
come
know.
on. And
Okay.
okay,
And
these are like
hurry up
supposed
so
to
that
be
the
like,
fans can see it.
yeah, I don't think these are gonna be too well. Well, it's actually pretty good. So. Okay, I'm almost done. Because I place this Yeet Bear on and boom. Yeet Bear. There we go. There we go.
Actually, no, you don't have to put all those on because this is the extra.
It doesn't matter. Okay, see this? Look at that. Okay, I will get a closer view. But whatever.
For me, it's creeping me out.
And, well, you know what? You ready? Because Wither Freddy is coming back. He's coming back to the show stage.
He's coming back, guys. He's coming back.
To the show stage, okay? Now, we're going to do a full-on view.
Yes.
Okay, now let's see. Okay, see this? Okay, you see this? Just look. Hi, I'm Freddy. You suck at this. Okay, so as you oh my gosh. Just block block their view.
No, I doesn't like
No, I just block their view. So they can't see. So as you can see, he can jump scare you. Immediately can jump.
Do not buy any of these because in the night they might come alive and jump.
Well, you're not really supposed to put these little drawings on, but you can, and I got the, if you look behind it, me get this. Okay, if you look behind the little letters, ready? Just look. See? Okay, you see that? Toy friend. Arch Nemesis. Let me put him back.
Okay,
So,
here
that's him.
He is.
There he is.
So,
So, as you can see, I suggest you
and
to
you
buy.
can see that because these two holes also.
Oh, and can I show you a little extra feature they did?
Yes.
Which down there, little foot.
Oh, yep. Look at that part.
Yeah, I
That
saw.
part.
I know.
Like right there.
They put so
The
much
ankle.
detail. I know. I'm gonna
At
try
the
and collect these
ankle,
all.
they're putting so much detail. We would not make a hate video of this because all the things that we have, we would not make hate videos.
Oh, and you can buy these at like your local Walmart or Target.
Yes.
Well,
We got this one at Walmart, so if you go to Walmart, you might be able to get the same exact one.
the exact same set.
Yes.
I know. But yeah, you can get the pictures in the back of the box too,
And
like
if you-
Nightmare
and if
Bonnie,
you don't
Nightmare
like the
Phantom,
background,
Boom,
if you don't
Boy,
like
I
the
know.
background, then you can just throw that away and keep Freddy. If you don't like Freddy, then you can throw Freddy away and keep the background.
Yeah,
And if you don't
but
like
it's stupid to
and
do.
if you don't like any of it, just throw it away and then try to get
Okay.
it back over time.
Guys. Hey guys. Hey, so that was the end of our video so far.
Bye.
No, I'm gonna tell something.
No, I'm
Okay,
leaving.
I gotta tell you
Bye.
something. Bye. I'm leaving. So
Bye, fans.
I
See
am
you in our next
thinking.
video. I hope you FNAF back.
I'm not even done.
I know.
So as I was saying, I will be trying to showcase more of these in the future. Okay? Okay? Like, I don't think I can do the big ones. Those are way too expensive. And these, like, they're like almost $9. I mean, like, they're usually like $15 though for the big set. So I'm not gonna get the big set. Okay, guys. Bye-bye. I might do Fortnite. Bye-bye.